So let me know in comments, what is your big yes vision? It might be you are calling in certain types of clients in your business. It might be a home, it might be a lifestyle for you and your family, it might be a holiday, it might be world peace. Like, whatever that thing is, how do you stay in the energy of conviction and integrity to show up for yourself and others in this real divine way that is showing up for you, showing up for your soul, showing up for your clients, showing up for your mission? And it is a nourishing energy. It's this divine energy of nourishing. So you are showing up in a way that is taking care of your body, listening to your body moment to moment. And this, like, I'm going to say this, I want you to really pay attention to this. This is another thing where we get stuck, because we have this vision, and we've all heard, right, we need to tap into the feelings of the vision, not just the vision, it's not just the visual, it's not just the vision board, it's not just the secret, it's not just the law of attraction. Those of you that have done magnetic mastery, which is most of you, you have gone in deeply to these 12 universal laws. There are 11 other laws. It is not just the law of attraction, it's not just visual. So we know that we need to go into the feelings. What I see missing is how we get into those feelings now. Rather than, I see the vision for a year's time, and I feel those feelings of that vision, but it's the little small steps. And I heard this being described the other day, a bit like Christmas, and I thought this was a brilliant analogy. It was Amy Elizabeth that talked about this, so credit to Amy for this. And she talked about having, your vision is like Christmas, okay? Your vision is like Christmas. You know how you want to feel on Christmas Day, but how are you showing up every day of December? Are you showing up every day of December, opening an advent calendar, getting a surprise gift, and being excited every day and saying, yes, thank you, I am grateful for that, and more please, because I know that I am working towards Christmas Day. And I'm going to allow universe, God, source to surprise me along the way with these little moments of things that I can respond to. So I've said this so many times, like for me this is like, I wake up in the morning and I always have my cup of tea in the morning. That is my routine. But some mornings I'm like, I want the teapot out today. Okay, and that feels exciting, to get out the teapot, put a pot of milk, brew the tea, and be able to sit there and luxuriate in that morning routine, knowing I've got a whole pot of tea, I can sit there, I can journal, I can meditate. For you, especially if you've got children, this might be like more the evening when the children go to bed. Like, what can you give yourself that feels like a hell yes? Okay, are you sat getting frustrated with your work and trying to force and push through your work? I just realised it's very dark, but never mind. My hair has kind of vanished into the background. Are you sat there pushing through your work when that is a no in your body? Or is your body saying, I would love to get out in nature right now. I would love to get up and put some trance music on. It's literally what I do here. Put some trance music on and dance in the kitchen for 2 minutes. What is your body giving you right now that you want to respond to?